Mababati po sa inyong lahat mga ka-teammates. Samahan ninyo kami sa susunod na kalahating oras para sa inyong daily dose of sports news. Ako po, si teammate Meg Siozon.
Kaya bago po kayo mag-relax ngayong stressful weekend na ito, samahan niyo po muna kami ng aking partner. Ako po si Ira Dalaw at ito ang nag-iisang
PTV Sports. At umpisa na po natin ang balitaan sa boxing. Isang pangalan lang ang nasa isipan ni former 2-division world champion at potential Manny Pacquiao opponent Danny Swift Garcia pagdating sa sino ang nais nitong makalaban. Kung sino siya, alamin natin sa report ni Paulo Salamatin.
Isang tao lang ang pinaghahandaan ngayon ni former 2-division world champion Danny Garcia. Ang 31-year-old na si Garcia ang sinasabing frontrunner pagdating sa potential next opponent ni Filipino boxing icon Manny Pacquiao. Ngunit sa isang press conference, sinabi ni Garcia na focus lamang siya ngayon sa isang kalaban at ito ay si Adrian Granados ng Mexico.
I just gotta go out there and be myself, do what I always do, just the Danny Garcia show and win. It's just one fight at a time. I'm not worried about them. I'm not worried about them guys right now. I gotta fight him on April 20th, and once I get past him, line him up. It doesn't matter.
Ang pangalan ni Garcia ang madalas na lumilitaw sa tuwing tatanungin ng kampo ni Pacquiao pagdating sa posibleng susunod na mga kalaban ng fighting senator. Samantala, tiniyak naman ni Granados na desidido siyang sirain kung ano man ang future plans ni Garcia.
Actually just to tip off of what he was saying, thanks for being that guy who called him a cherry picker. I think that was the first time he bashed me, saying like, yeah, he lost to some dude 3 or 4 losses, so as far as my ass being in grass, I'm definitely coming to kick his ass.
Maglalaban sina Granados at Garcia sa isang 12-round title fight para sa WBC Silver Welterweight Crown na magaganap April 20 sa Dignity Health Sports Park, Carson, California. Paulo Salamatin, PTV Sports.